complete nerd and a hopelessly grown child. We get a nice little shot of Mortimer here, who's posing for us, amazingly. As you saw in my other video, showed you some of my neat little toys and boats and whatnot. And I'm sure, looking around the room, you probably noticed that all my guitars are born in the room. But you know I like guitars. Also knows I like cars. I'll show you a little more the ridiculous crap that I collect. I'm going to be honest with you, I actually did not purchase most of what is on this little shelf. It was given to me. Yeah. Imagine that, more cars. And this, my niece absolutely loves. A silly stuffed moose they gave me when I opened up a bank account. Sailboats, and stuff. Up here, you're gonna look and you're gonna say, hey, those two look absolutely identical, but I can tell you as a Hot Wheels nerd that they are not. And there's no way that this video is high definition enough for me to show you the actual differences. Retarded, huh? Let's see, this is more of a vintage car collection. And the cool Buick posters have been framed and hung onto my wall. And these were actually my dad's, given to him by his dad, my grandfather, who worked at a Buick dealership. Neat. And of course, what else makes me happy but video games? See my flat screen TV, which is still one of those big things. On this entire TV stand, there are 7 video game consoles. 7. And a DVD player hiding down there at the bottom. You can see the little red light. And a big honking cassette deck. Amazing. Gee, there's more toy cars. Radio control monster truck. Battery operated tank. 57 Chevy. Yeah. Ridiculous. Oh, look. Look around on this shelf here. Yeah. Poison Pinto. Get a good eyeful of that one. I could sell it for $65, but I won't because I'm an idiot. Actually, kind of rare. It's more common to find the green one. And it's chrome. And just to prove to you that I'm into all that nautical stuff, there's where I hang my bathrobe books. This is just, it's not an actual fish. I don't want stuffed fish in my room. Gee, more guitars. Any guitar nuts watching this video, I highly recommend this guitar. It's the new Classic 5 one. You might want to pick one up before they're gone. I doubt they're going to make it for very long. It's not quite the original Duosonic. Markers. Another boat. But most of my collection resides in a dresser below. Look at that. There are trays and trays. Cars in here. In here. Packages and packages of unopened Hot Wheels. can tell you. I love them. It's absolutely ridiculous. Right, Mortimer? My hopeless child.